Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-L5915DW printer driver download and installations. So first open any browser in Google search box to like that. Then first link support.brother.com, this official website, just click on it. After that you can see Windows, Linux, Mac and mobile also there. So select the Windows, then select the operating system which is you required, and all the Windows operating systems driver download and installations processing. So if you are using Windows 10 32-bit, Windows 4 64-bit, so you can select this, then click to OK. So first, this is easy setup. Second, full setup with the software, you can see. And slow down, this is your printer scanner USB driver. Okay, click on it. When you click, it will start, but you have to agree the download, and then it will. Now you can see it is start. It's 43 dot almost 44 MB size. Then it is completed. Click on this icon, so where it is downloaded it will open, otherwise you can go to these locations where it is downloaded, then right click to click open. It will extract and create new folder. Okay, then click to OK. So it will, then you can see it's created folder, and this is your driver. Okay, and then close it, then click to start, and then click on setting. Then click the network and Bluetooth device, then click printer and scanner, then click to add device, then click add manual. After that select the last manual setting, next, next, then click have disk, then browse, then go to this locations where it is downloaded, this folder, open it, then select INF file and then click to OK. OK, 5915, scroll down, MF 5915 595, this is your printer. Then select this, then next, next. Now this is installing. Okay, then it is installed, then next, finish. Now you can see this is printer you are connected, install, then restart your printer and your system also, and then click to check print, and you can print, and please